All right, working on a now running properly town car, which I just realized I left my trash under the hood. What a hack. So this car was randomly shutting off. You'd be driving along and it would just cut off completely without any rhyme or reason to it. Sometimes it would restart and sometimes it wouldn't. And and sometimes it would sit for some time and it would restart. Now, normally on a Ford, you never, ever have problems with PCMs. They're robust, especially since the 90s when Ford actually got their game together and did stuff right. But looks like we're reverting back to our past, because if you look under here, you'll notice there's some discoloration. And this isn't staining, it got hot. You notice you got a burn mark here, or a hot spot right there. And if you look closely in the light, you can see more off shading here as well. This is from brackets, that doesn't matter. But if you were to tear this apart and get all this sealer out and flip this open, you'd probably find a couple of burned, I don't know, something on the circuit board inside. But looking at this is definitely a problem. Is it the problem? Well, driving it will... Yeah. It's kind of hard to say that this isn't a problem when the other one looked perfectly fine. So if you have
the other one's gone how many miles?
I think 89, 80 something. Yeah. So with this one here, considering this car's done 168 or something, 169. If you happen to have a 2005 to 11 Crown Vic or Town Car or Grand Marquis, you might want to
inspect it.
Yeah, you just take out this 8mm bolt right here and then slide that back and look underneath. If you find burn marks, you might need to go look for another one of these and pay to have it flashed to your car. So that would be it, and hopefully we'll see with time if it runs okay.